Curious about the University of Minnesota Job and Internship Career Fair? Let's break it down in just over a minute. What is a career fair? Well, it's your chance to meet employers and explore jobs and internships. At our last fair, over 1,300 students connected with 200 employers. Why attend? Well, apart from landing a job, you can build connections and understand an employer's needs. Fun fact, at our last fair, employers connected with at least 6 students after it. Think of it as a treasure trove of information. You have the chance to inquire about company culture, growth opportunities, and the qualities they value in candidates like you. Bring multiple copies of your resume, dress professionally, and have a brief introduction of yourself ready. It shows you're serious, and trust me, recruiters really notice the effort you're putting in. Even if you're not ready to apply, career fairs help you hone in on networking skills, build your confidence, and explore the opportunities available to you. The U of M supports students attending by arranging transportation and providing resources to make their experience seamless. Consider it your first step to securing your dream role. What's your career fair tip? Share it in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on how to jumpstart your career journey. Good luck!